Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back, and if you're a new subscriber, my name is Amy and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing something very different. I am going to show you guys the behind the scenes of how I was able to get my closet from being a hot ass mess to being organized and looking fabulous. Okay, we did a whole lot of work, you guys. Took the floors out, we changed the shelvings, we did a whole lot. One of my really good friends helped me do this, and that's Chris. Shout out to you, Chris. Thank you so much for having my back. Because I would not be able to get this done, you guys, but he was able to come here and help me. If you live in the Houston area and need someone to help you out, I'll leave his information in the comment section, in the description bar, so you guys can holler at him. Okay, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys around, give you guys the overall view of what this place looks like. You guys, it was a hot mess. Do you hear me? It was a hot mess, but I was able to we were able to actually change the floors, color coordinate, put the shelving, add some more shelving up there, and it's looking pretty good. I got rid of so much clothes, you guys. It is ridiculous. Like, let me tell you, I was just not feeling it. I was just like, listen, like, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna get rid of a whole bunch of clothes that I don't wear. Like, if I've not worn a shirt or a dress or anything for like a year, I was not going to keep it in this closet. So it's kind of cool because I'm gonna start like rebuying stuff again, you know. But I think we did a good job. You guys, let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, I'm excited to show you guys around. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what we did, the trouble we had going to IKEA every single second, trying to figure something out, get the right measurements, you guys. Okay, but let's go ahead. Let me show you guys around. I love y'all.
Okay, well, we're live.
We're not live.
Oh, well, we're something. It's recording. The red light is flashing.
It's gonna be a hot mess today, guys. But we have a project. What's the project?
I'm asking you, what do you want to do? Like, what's the plan?
But what's the plan? Can you tell what we want?
Okay, so we're about to reconstruct this closet in some way.
Weird.
And I'm trying to figure out what I need to measure.
Anyways, I'm sick of Chris, y'all. I'm sick of him. I'm sick of him. Not today. You see your shirt? Not today. Anyways, guys, my house is always seriously, really.
I'm just saying, it didn't look. It wasn't like this when I left the last time.
What does that mean?
I mean, the rug, the wrinkle, like it was.
Literally gonna put my business.
I gotta get her together. I gotta get my baby together.
Exactly.
It's okay.
You know. Anyways, we're about to redo my closet, okay? Because my closet is a hot mess. 1, 2, it's literally the same way since. It looks the same way since when I bought the house, and I've been trying to do this since I got the house, and then Corona happened.
Yep.
And we couldn't do shit.
A damn thing.
Okay, so now we're about to go to IKEA, but before we go to IKEA, Chris is going to do some measurements in the closet and see what we need, because I want some shelving. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now, so don't judge me. Pump your brakes.
Just look at the closet and look at nothing else.
Exactly, just shush. Let me just show you guys what my closet looks like right now. A hot ass mess. I don't want nobody coming here judging me, okay? You hear me? Okay, so let me close this door so you can see. This is what my closet looks like right now. Listen, stop. Listen, look. And Chris is right over here. Okay, so my closet is big, but I feel like it looks small because of the way they did it, right? Oh, we're gonna cut this part, right? We're gonna cut this part off. Just look at this. What's the measurement?
Let's see, 36.
Okay.
So we need shelving that's 36 inches to go up under this. and then it'll be.
But is it starting from right there? Oh,
because we gonna keep this. Only thing we gonna.
Oh, we're gonna keep that.
About cutting.
Okay. What's that and that?
This.
Okay. Okay. So what's the length? We need to find out what the length is gonna be, right? No, but why would it start from there? Because the shelf is gonna get tucked up right underneath here, right?
Well, not really.
Really?
Because you want some space.
So why are you starting from the top?
I'm trying to get an estimate of.
Oh, okay.
I need y'all to understand something, okay? It be hot as shit in Houston.
And I don't wear that shit. Don't lie. No, don't.
Hey, you have worn this to Sephora. Like this.
No.
With your black on.
It's a lie. That sounds very Dallas, but okay, whatever.
Okay, so this is where shelving is going to go. Okay, dresses, y'all gotta go.
Guys, it's a hot mess out here, but it's okay. We have all these boxes. My house looks like trash. It's good. Chris is gonna get me nice and tight. Does it fit?
Okay, tell me. Huh? Nah, you didn't see that.
Oh man.
No, you didn't.
It almost feels like it's just like a little bit of space that we need.
A smidgen.
But do you think if we take the rug off, so we can start peeling the rug off, I think that might help us. It's coming together. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna actually try doing. So right here, I'm gonna try to put some shelves so I can like store some of my shoes in. I still have my makeup room, which hopefully one day I'll do a tour of that. So this place right here is just going to have like my clothing and some other stuff, right? But I still have my makeup room, so if I need to store anything in the makeup room, I can still do that. But for now, this is what we have. I see that. Hi! We are almost done, guys.
Hi! With Miss DOT.
She's drinking her Miss DOT. Now she feels so bougie. But you guys, we're almost done. Almost done. We just have few touches just left. Okay, yeah. Look at the closet. Ignore all these boxes. Yeah, it's gonna go away. And we added another shelf right there. You can see the little, what's this called? The little nails. You can see how they are like a different color. We're gonna paint those white. It's like very, it's very, yeah, the screws, yeah. It's very little, so we just added another shelving right there.
They're gonna be like those, like white.
Yeah, it's gonna look white like that. Okay. Yeah. Look at that.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah,
we just need a spot for mirror. So Susie was thinking that we should put the mirror. Open the door.
Right here.
Right there. So it's like hidden, but at the same time, if the place is closed, like it will look nice. And eventually, once I have money, I will change this to a nice chandelier.
Yeah.
Chris's bougie ass make me buy this expensive ass lights. Like, look at this. Oh, who am I? Who am I, darling? We're gonna have so much. Hi, Sus.
Hi, look at that.
It's a hot mess behind there, though. Don't look. It looks good.
Ooh, I like it. The light.
Guys, hold on. if you live in Houston, Texas, and you're trying to get your closet remodeled, who do you have to holler at? I'll put his email address on the description. I'll put his email information in the description bar below.
Yeah.
Y'all know who to holler at, my boy cracks. Yeah, he did a great job. Look at it. And here is the final reveal, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like right now. So I have everything color coordinated, you guys. I got rid of a ton, literally like 4 suitcases of clothing, because I'm just trying to just like be a minimalist, because it just doesn't make sense to just hoard all those clothes. I just took out a whole lot, so that's why there is like some gaps in here, which is fine because I know myself. I know this will get filled up like really quickly. Like, it's not even a joke. I still have a ton of space up there, so I would still have like storage space if I needed to, and if I have to add any more clothes in here. And this is what this front center looks like. We had to take down this whole thing. I think if you guys watched it before and after, I mean, if you watch the whole video, you will kind of see that. Okay, I wanted like a boutique style look, so that's why we added these lights in here, you guys. And these lights are so cool. They were hella expensive though, so you can literally just take them off and just charge it, and it has like a little snap right there, and you can just put it back up. It's so freaking awesome. Like, I am literally obsessed with it. And you can move it around. If you wanted to take selfies, you can actually put it like on your mirror and stuff like that. So, you know, I have multiple uses for all of this. Okay, so like on here I just have all my like my bags, my fragrances right here. So you can tell I'm missing a light piece right there. That's just because for some reason I picked up 7 lights instead of 8 lights, so I have to go and get some more lights. Right here I have my jewelry, so I don't know where all my jewelries are right now. I know they're somewhere in the house, so they should be all in here somewhere, or somewhere in the house, so I'll have to figure that out later. I just have a little candle sitting there, a little mirror. That mirror is from IKEA. I just have all my purses, my hat, and you guys, I got this amazing piece. I have all my whites right in that corner, my jeans. I'm gonna show you guys a quick tip, okay, which Chris actually taught me. So if you want to hang your jeans, you know the hangers sometimes could be very long. What we did was just get baby hangers. Let me just grab one so I can show you. So we just got baby hangers, so they're very small, because if we have to use like a big hanger, the jeans might be like flopping. So you see how small this one is, so we just use baby hangers and just hang the jeans, so that way they'll fit perfectly on the hangers and not like have to like bend back and forward. Okay, and just like that, we have more like leopard print greens. Like there I am gonna put more neutral stuff, but I'm not done doing that yet. I got rid of so much stuff, you guys. I have a ton of black because I actually do wear black to work, so all the blacks are like right there. So over here I have my shoes. I don't have all my shoes in here. I'm gonna keep some of my shoes actually inside my makeup room, because I have a ton of space over there too. And over here I have a little space also, because I'm just gonna leave space out because I know I'm gonna be shopping a lot. And I also have more storage space right there, and here I just have more clothes right here. And of course, you guys, I'm gonna have to have a full length mirror. Like, what's a closet without a full length mirror? Just saying, you know. And over here in these drawers I just keep all my swimsuits, my underwear, my bras and stuff like that. And you guys, I was so proud of myself because I actually color coordinated all of them. I'm not going to show you guys all the drawers, but this is what it looks like. It's color coordinated. It's so perfect, isn't it? Okay, so actually I'm going to be doing a fragrance video very soon. Let me know if you guys will be interested in that, because I think that will be fun. And also over here I have like some of my swimsuits, my like some random stuff right in there. But I bought these dividers also from IKEA, so I can just put them there and it kind of stores stuff easily.